Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the new Beauty Bakerie Mystery Box. So if you guys want to unravel this mystery with me, keep watching. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, we are going to be doing an unboxing. Sorry, y'all know my chair is squeaky, still trying to get a new one. But we are going to be unboxing the Beauty Bakerie Mystery Box. It came in a little package like this, just plain white package. You know, once again, don't look at my address unless you're trying to send me something, feel free. Has Beauty Bakerie right here on the back. So I got an email, please hold, let's see, when did I get this email? Got an email from Beauty Bakerie on May 29th about their little mystery boxes. This is what the email looked like. I love Beauty Bakerie, so I had to jump up on it. It is a $100 plus value, and you got the box for, I believe, $50. I think they are still, well, I think they might be sold out. I'm not 100% on that. And I'm not 100% if it's all the same stuff or if it's everyone just kind of gets different things. I'm not 100% on that either. But either way, it's 6 full-sized favorites for $50 and free shipping when you got the box. I feel like that is a very good deal. I ordered it like 5 seconds after I read the email. So I'm just going to open it just like this in case there's anything up top. I have no clue. Gonna open it. I'll kind of show you guys on camera as I open it. So, and it says, so much cake, so little time. If you're unfamiliar with Beauty Bakerie, like if you're living under a rock maybe, I don't know, it is a Black-owned business, and all the packaging, it has to do with like cake and baking and that type of thing. Gorgeous packaging. I love baking, I love cooking, I love all that type of fun stuff. So when I first found out about the brand, I was like, got to have it. I do have several different items from this brand already. Like I said, Black-owned business. Love the brand, love the packaging, love the makeup. Half the makeup I'm wearing today is by Beauty Bakerie. The other half is Genova's Place. So most of my face, I would probably say at least 90% of my face today is Black-owned businesses. If you want to know any of the details about what makeup I am wearing, look in the description box down below. I'll list all that down there. Back to the box. So, cute packaging, opening it up, and oh, cute. It comes in this little makeup bag. So cute. So it has like a little cover. Just take that off. And it says, I just cake a lot on it. I do need a new like kind of travel bag. I don't know if you guys can see that. Fairly heavy bag. So I'm excited to open up and see what is in it. So when you open it up, you can kind of see all the goodies in there. I am going to take them all out. I'll probably even do a little bit of swatching as well. So diving in, first thing that I'm pulling out is the Sugar Lip Scrub. It is in the flavor strawberry. Now I do not own any lip scrubs. I'll show you guys all the cute packaging. I know my lighting is a little bright right here, so it might take a minute for my camera to focus. But it is a cute little lip scrub. I just want to smell it. Oh, smells like fresh, delicious strawberries, you guys. Ooh. I'm just going to kind of scrub my lips right here on camera. Second item. It looks like it's a liquid metallic lipstick smudge-free lip whip. Let's see. It is in the shade Hazelnut Swirl. So we'll pop this out of the packaging and kind of swatch it out for you. And it comes in this like cute little slide out thing, which is adorable. And it also has like what she calls baking tips. It says baking tip remove with our oil-based lip whip remover. Can't talk. So apparently these, whoopsies. Apparently these are supposed to be like smudge proof. They're supposed to be like transfer proof. All of it. So I'm gonna pull this out so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. And I'll kind of swatch right here. It's a very nice kind of like chocolatey type of color. Ignore that horrible swatch point right there. So you can kind of see the metallic-y type of shine to it. And it smells good. So I'm gonna put that back in the little container that it came in. And I see a second lippy in here. So we're gonna, whoops, pull that out. This one is the Long Lasting Gloss in the shade Jelly-Anna? I don't know, you all know I cannot pronounce anything. Same really cute packaging, it just slides out. Ooh, this one is a very pretty color, very pretty pink color in the packaging. Ooh. Smells good too. All right, so I'll just swatch this one right. I just keep knocking everything over, y'all. I'll just swatch this one right next to this. Let's see. So this one is, like I said, just a gloss, but you can kind of see it's like a nice pink shimmery top gloss. Very pretty. So actually I might even just kind of throw some on my lips here real quick while I have it out. Very pretty. Very pretty. It's very pink, very nice. It's not like real sticky or anything. I do not like sticky lip glosses, so I don't want my lips to be like stuck together. So this lip gloss is very pretty. It pops, it gives you like a nice like pink subtle kind of glow. I feel like on camera you can't see how pink it is, but like in person, sorry, I'm looking at my camera. Or sorry, I'm looking at my mirror. But like in person, the pink is very noticeable. It's kind of like the pink you see right here in my hair, which I know my pink side is fading. I'm fixing that tonight. Yeah, it kind of matches like the color pinks that I have right here in my hair still. Anyways, that's a whole different discussion. So I love this lip gloss. I can't wait to try the metallic lippy here in a minute. I didn't feel like doing that on camera just in case it came out horrible, because y'all know I'd be struggling with any sort of lipsticks, anything like that. So that's why I normally only wear lip gloss, because you can just slap it on and go. All right, next thing in here. So that was 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th item. It is, look at this packaging. It's so cute. It is the setting powder. So it comes in like this cute little flower packaging. It is in the shade Oat, which is just like their medium, or not medium, it's their translucent powder, so it works for all skin tones. So whether you are a darker skin tone or a lighter skin tone, this is just their basic translucent powder, which is what I already have. I really do like the Oat settings. I almost said setting spray. I really do like the Oat setting powder just for a nice translucent, easy to throw on powder. This is a mattifying setting powder. So I'm just gonna pop it open real quick so I can show you guys. Which I'm not gonna lie, when I first bought this, I think I still have the little bag, the little packaging it came in, because it was just so cute. You get a lot. Like I think I bought my original setting powder probably almost a year ago, and I'm just now running out of it, and I use that a lot. I use it a lot. All right, looks like last thing in the bag here is a palette, which I do not have any makeup palette from them, so I'm super excited to try this one. It is their Milk and Honey palette. Look at this gorgeous packaging, you guys. Look at it. So I know my light, like I said, is kind of bouncing off because everything's like a metallic-y. So it looks like it has these like cute little honeycombs around it, and you just slide it out and it looks like that. Packaging is gorgeous. So their Milk and Honey palette is actually a highlight palette. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys. So cute. My makeup's looking real dusty today, y'all. I'm sorry. So look at this. So you get 4 different colors, which kind of put that down. It does come with like one of those like translucent things here. So you get 4 different colors. You get Oh Honey, Queen Being, Spoiler Alert, and Be Sweet. And then got this cute little stamped milk and honey thing right there. I don't know if you can see it. So those are the pretty shades. You get this really like pink kind of shade here, a lighter pink, and this one's more like a chocolatey, like, I don't know, this one's more of like a chocolatey color, and this one's more kind of like an orangey color. I will swatch all these for you, so give me 1 second and I will show you on the back of my hand. Alright, so let's see. Kind of see the different colors. This first one right here is the Oh Honey. This one is the Queen Being. This one is Spoiler Alert. And then this one is the Be Sweet. So you can kind of see the different type of shades. They're all a bit more metallic-y. Very, very, very pigmented. This is just one swipe with my finger in the pan. So very, very pretty. I love all these colors. Even from far back here, you guys can see like just how shimmery this is. Alright, so all together in my mystery box, I got the Milk and Honey palette. I got 2 of the lip glosses, well, 1 lip gloss and 1 of the metallic liquid lipstick. I got the lip scrub, and then the setting powder, and then also the very cute makeup bag. So all this was $50, which is a very reasonable price. I loved every single thing that I got in my mystery box. I feel the need to completely wash my face now and, you know, play with the new stuff that I just got. I did swatch a couple of different things for you here. I know you guys can't see the gloss. I rubbed it off, but this is still holding up with no transfer. So it is very much smudge proof. So yeah, what did you guys think of the mystery box? Did you guys enjoy it? How many of you got the email and ordered your own mystery box? Did you get the same products, or were they different ones than what I got? I'm assuming since it's a mystery box, it was everyone just kind of got different things, but I'm not 100% on that. I would love some feedback from you guys if you did get the mystery box, just to kind of let me know, hey, yeah, I got the same things, or hey, you know what, I got completely different things than you got. If you guys liked the video this week, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you guys will know anytime I post any new unboxing videos. Alright guys, so that's it for this week's video. I'll see you next week.